Now we're gonna open a big egg surprise. Ready to see it? I haven't seen it yet. We're gonna see it together now. Oh, this is amazing also. I hope it's a toy in here. Oh, this is awesome. This is a big giant egg. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, chocolate. Let's open it. Wow, look at this. A piece. Good. Whoa, look at all those candy. Those are awesome. These are brown lollipops. This is blue. This is red. This is black. You got mint. You got some more different kinds of chocolates. And we have a big egg. I'm gonna eat these ones because I never tried them before. Now we're saving the rest for later. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy watching this movie.